Hi there, welcome to John's Workshop. This is part 11 of my Porsche 911 GT3 RS build using the Lamborghini Sian Parts. And worked onto this frame more last time for the body. Got this firewall in and this driver's side lower frame on, and now we're going to continue. Now we have whatever's next here. We're starting with some little pieces here. To start off with and get those together, and then this goes on there. Axle pin, and then we have another gray frame, and that goes in here. Okay. So we have 3 of these there, and then one of them goes this way. Okay, and now, oh, there's a black pin. Goes down here. Now I need a 9 and 5. So the 9 beam goes this way. 5 beam goes this way. There we go. And that continue to connect up to this back of this frame here. So how does that go on? Does that go on here? Yeah, it looks like that blue pin goes through there. Like so. So now we got that on the back there. So that's going to be, yeah, going, I think we're getting to, this is in front of the rear wheels there. And are we just going to keep going back all the way to the back here? Interesting way to build this. This is very, very different from the other builds. When they talk about doing the marriage of the body to the chassis on this one, I think on the other ones it was like the front and the back. On one of the other ones they specifically talked about that. But this is like quite a bit different. But I think this is actually kind of normal how cars are actually put together, so. Oh, I did that wrong, didn't I? These need to go on the other side. Okay, so that goes this way. And then we have a black pin in the middle. Okay, and now this goes here. Black pin goes here. Okay, oh, we have a 13 beam. Now we're cooking. There's a green 13 beam. Okay, so there's a stud pin in there. And that is supposed to hook on. It's supposed to be like that. Right on the bottom. Oh no. The gray pin goes there. Okay, I think it's like that. Here we got the 2 black pins go into those ones, and then the axle pin goes this way. Okay, so we're going this way, and this goes up here. Okay, and now might have to just move these out of the way. So this is supposed to go back here somewhere. That should be facing, should it be facing this? No. What is that hooking into? Should it be hooked into something over here? No. Yeah, so that goes like this. This is gonna look like that. Where does that go? Oh, that goes there. Okay, it goes here. There's where it goes. So the axle is supposed to go into this, into the top of the frame up here. And then that hooks in like so. Okay. There we go. So that's how that hooks up right back here. Okay, now we have some panels, some big panels going together. I'm just gonna set that over here. Do some panels. Okay, we have this guy. Okay, that goes like that. Another panel. Then we put some more pins in here. And now we have another. Oops, it's this way. It doesn't matter. Okay, now it's this guy, and it is going like so. Those go in there. And we've got two 15 beams. So they're going like this. Okay. Now we have one of the shorter, the smaller panels. And I need to put things like so. And that goes into the bottom here. Okay. Like that. And we have a 7-beam. Like so. That's off to the side. Like so. And another 7-beam. This is this is just a bit weird. Okay. And then we're putting that like this. And then we have the gray rolling pin. And that is going there. Okay, oh. It's the long axle pin there. Okay, we got those two, and that is sitting here. Now we turn it this way. Oh, and we hook that up to the back there. Okay, how is this going on here? I have to figure out how this is going to go on. Okay, it's facing this way. Oh, and we're hooking it up here. It just straight hooks onto those pins. Okay, I gotta get those two in. I think that'll work. There we go. Okay. And now there's two 9-beams. We got two of the... Oh, we got this longer 7-axle. Okay, and then that is hooking in to here. Okay, oh, now we're gonna just start building back around the other side. Okay. Try to do this. Like that, and then we need the gray frame. Put it in there. Like so. And then, oh yeah, we need all the blue pins. Okay, there we go. We're gonna put this back over here. Okay, so we're like this. The 9-beam and the 5-beam. Okay, those are on. Small L. Oops. The big L. And we have a black pin that's going to go in there. Okay, and now this axle goes through here. And this is holding that in. And we have a 13 beam. Stud pin. And that goes one right there. Okay, now that goes, yeah, remember that goes in the corner. No, is that right? No, that's right, that goes in the corner. Like so. Oops. There we go. Now, oh, didn't do that. I missed the black pin that has to go on there. Okay, that's supposed to be a black pin in there. I forgot to put that in. I should have put it in right away. I didn't. And then that hooks together. Okay. that's together. And I also need these two black pins there, and then the blue pin goes this way. Okay, and then we're up here. This goes here. Okay, and now it's supposed to face, no, it's facing this way. And I got to line everything up here. So we got the two pins at the bottom. We got this pin here, and then the three pins from the frame. No problem, just six pins just have to match up, and we got it together. Okay. Now, going back and getting these 15 beams. Okay, I got these in a little bit there. They are here, and we gotta just put all the pins in. This should finish off the round of the car. Okay, and like so. There's a pin in the top there. That's the last one of these gray 3 beams anyway. Okay. And the gray axle. Is this on? I wonder if it's on purpose to try to put these around this way. And a black pin goes here. Then we need a 9 beam. And the red pin. No red pin. Is this different? No, it's not different, is it? They gotta put red pins on that side too. Is this a choice to not show it yet? Okay, those are in, and this has to go like that. Yep. Nope. Okay. Oh, nope, I did that wrong. Are these gonna come out? Nope, they're not gonna come out. Supposed to be back 2, literally, or no, 1. It's just that axle pin has to be in the right spot. Okay, so I think I got that right now. and L-beam. Oh man, I keep doing that. It's the wrong side. Okay, and then that is going here. It's an interesting way to have this put together because we still haven't hooked anything up with these two beams. This is the top one. Okay, and then goes there. And then another 15 beam. Okay, another 9 beam. Uh-oh, I need the black pin there first. Okay, like that. So we got that there. When we're hooking these together, we're gonna put these together at the same time, I take it. Okay, so this is supposed to go like this. Okay, so then that lines up. And oh, that goes here. Oh, now we put the two red pins in. We're running out of these. I wonder if I have enough. I should have enough. It's just that I should have more. I don't know if I hit the mark on doing the red pins exactly. So now you have to get all of these to line up. So these go on back here. So that's an easy enough thing to get matched up first, I think. Yeah. We'll do that first. And then I gotta get all these 6 pins to go together. So get the bottom ones in first and then the top ones. See the other side, they nicely let you do one at a time. Okay, so that's there. And now are these gonna fight? It's pretty flexible, so there we go. Everything together. Okay. There we go. That's pretty good. Let's put this last, let's try to get this last piece together here. Little contraption part. Okay. An 11 beam. Supposed to go here. Okay, now we're getting down. So we might actually be getting down to the last of these curved beams. Okay, that goes there. And what are we looking at? It's this way. And that. Then we have a gray, light gray L-beam, double L-beam. Oh wait, no, they're not here. Oh, it's in, there they are. Okay. There's just one of these, right? Oops. And okay, so that is hooking up here. And we have one of these and the T. So we're looking like this, and this goes up here, and the T goes this way. And we have this guy and two long blue pins. And this goes over here. Now, another one of these 90-degree axles, and that goes on the other side. We got a 9-beam, a brown axle, and a 90-degree connector on it. Okay, so this is going to slide through here, this way, okay, and another 9-beam, and there's supposed to be a sticker on this one. But no, we have no stickers. Oh, it's just a Mobile One sticker. Seriously, there was a Mobile One sticker? Why would there be a Mobile One sticker on it? That seems, it's not, yeah. Okay, I guess that's what there was, I suppose. Okay, there's that, and now a 7-beam. And that is hooking in over here. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I just don't know what this is going to be, is it? Okay, so now this is hooking up here. Okay. Now yeah. Well, this looks like it's something to do with air cooling or something. But we'll continue on that next time. Okay, well that has been part 11 of my Porsche 911 and GT3 RS build using the Lamborghini Sian Parts. Finished the rear section of this body and the side, so now this is all connected and together. So this is going to slide over the chassis, I guess, and started on whatever this is going to be. It looks like it's some sort of, I don't know, air cleaner or something to go on the car. But if you want to see that, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.